Today we study quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is a second degree equation of one variable. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. There are two values of the variable satisfying the equation. Ax square. This square is the second degree equation and we have only one variable, that is x, and there are two values of the variable satisfying the equation. We get more clear by solving this numerical, and we have some technique to solve the quadratic equation. First technique is factorization method. This question is solved by factorization method. In question, x square plus 6x plus 8 is equals to 0. This equation is similar to this type of equation where we factorize here, and that is we write x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 is equals to 0. Then we take common and we have x plus 4 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. Either x plus 4 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to minus 4. If we shift this 4 into the right hand side, then we change the sign, that is minus 4. Similarly, x plus 2 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to minus 2. There is a technique that how we factorize it. This 6 is the sum of 6x is the sum of 4x plus 2x. This is the 6x, and if we multiply this 4x multiply 2x, then we get 8x squared, like this 8x squared, and this 6 means 4x plus 2x. We are going to solve a numeric problem which is based on quadratic equation by using completing square method. This question is like a completing square where there is absence of bx, and we make it as x square minus 3 square is equals to 0, and we use this formula, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Like this, we write this as a x plus 3 x minus 3 is equals to 0. Either x plus 3 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to minus 3, or x minus 3 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to 3. Then we write x is equals to plus minus 3. If we have a similar value, that is 3, then we can write like this way. We can solve quadratic equation by using formula. If we have a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, then we use this formula to solve the quadratic equation. That is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This all a, b, and c are equivalent to this quadratic equation a, b, and c. And we expand it as x is equals to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here is the plus and minus, so first we take positive sign, then we take negative sign, that is x is equals to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. We are going to solve a numerical problem which is based on quadratic equation by using formula. In question, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then ax square is equals to x square. Then the value of a is equals to 1. We cut x square and x square, then here 1 is remaining. So a is equals to 1. Similarly, bx is equals to minus 5x, and we cut xx, then we get b is equals to minus 5. Similarly, compare with c, that is c is equals to 6. We know that we have a formula to calculate this quadratic equation, that is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute all these values and solving we get this, that is x is equals to 5 plus minus 1 divided by 2. If we take positive sign, that is plus sign, then we have x is equals to 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Then x is equals to 6 divided by 2, and x is equals to 3. If we take negative sign, that is minus, then x is equals to 5 minus 1 divided by 2, or x is equals to 4 divided by 2, and finally x is equals to 2. Here root of x are 2 and 3. We are going to solve a numerical problem which is based on quadratic equation. In question, if the sum of two positive numbers is 18 and their product is 77, then find these numbers. Let these two numbers be x and y. According to the question, we have the sum of two positive numbers is 18, that is x plus y is equals to 18. And another is their product is 77, that is x multiplied y is equals to 77. And from first equation, y is equals to 18 minus x. Then we substitute this value into the equation second. Then we solve this. This x is multiplied by these both terms. That is 18x minus x square is equal to 77. And we shift all these terms in a single side to form a quadratic equation. Then we get x square minus 18x plus 77 is equals to 0. And here we factorize this quadratic equation, that is x square minus 11x minus 7x plus 77 is equals to 0. And here we take common, that is x, and we have x minus 11, and here we take 7, and we have x minus 11. Then we write x minus 11 and x minus 7. Either x minus 11 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 11, or the x minus 7 is equals to 0, that is x is equal to 7. We put these x values in equation third, that is y is equals to 18 minus x, then we get, if we put x is equals to 11, then we get y is equals to 7, And if we put x is equals to 7, then we get y is equals to 11. These are the two positive numbers, that is 7 and 11 or 11 and 7. We are going to solve another numerical problem which is based on quadratic equation. In question, calculate the length and breadth of a rectangular land whose area is 150 meter square and perimeter is 50 meter. Let length be L and breadth be B. Then we have area here is equals to 150 meter square and perimeter P is equals to 50 meter. And we have formula area of rectangle A is equals to L into P, and we substitute the value of area in this equation, that is L into P is equals to 150, equation first, and we have another formula perimeter of rectangle P is equals to 2 bracket L plus B, and we put the value of this perimeter in this equation, that is 2L plus B is equals to 50. If we divide these two here, then we get L plus B is equals to 25. This is the equation second. From equation second, we have B is equals to 25 minus L. This is the equation third. And if we substitute this equation third's value into equation first, we get L multiplied 25 minus L is equals to 150. We multiply L and 25 minus L, then we get 25L minus L square is equals to 150. And we took this in a single side and we made a quadratic equation, that is L square minus 25L plus 150 is equals to 0. This is equation 4, and we cannot easily factorize this, so we use formula to calculate this quadratic equation. Then we first of all we compare this equation with this quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the equation 5, and comparing between this equation 4 and 5, we get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 25, and c is equals to 150. Here we use formula, that is L is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If we substitute all this value which is here in this formula, then we get this, that is L is equals to 25 plus minus 5 divided by 2. If we take positive sign, that is plus, then we have L is equals to 25 plus 5 divided by 2, that is 30 divided by 2 is equals to 15. If we take negative sign, that is L is equals to 25 minus 5 divided by 2 is equals to 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10. Then we substitute this value into the equation second, that is b is equals to 25 minus L. Then we get b is equals to 25 minus 15, where we put values of L is equals to 15, then we get 10. This is the value of breadth. And if we use L is equals to 10 in this equation, then we get b is equals to 15. The length and breadth of rectangular land are 15 meter and 10 meter. We cannot use this value, and this value, because the length is always greater than the breadth. So we use 15 meter is the length and 10 meter is the breadth of the rectangular land.